Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar dropped 0.5% against the yen in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin dollar pair gained 1.6% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.5% during the session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The gold dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The S&P 500 was muted as losses in tech heavyweights Microsoft and Nvidia countered earnings-led gains from Meta and Tesla, while investors passed a slew of corporate earnings a day after the US central bank held interest rates steady. Norway's sovereign wealth fund has accumulated a sizable exposure to Bitcoin through indirect investments in a diversified portfolio of cryptocurrency-friendly companies. Indirect exposure to the digital asset grew to 3,821 BTC, or $356 million at the end of 2024, reflecting a yearly gain of 153%. Wall Street shares looked set for more gains as investors cheered earnings from Meta, but shunned Microsoft, while the dollar was steady against most other currencies after the Federal Reserve left rates unchanged. The exception was the yen, which strengthened across the board.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Portuguese Consumer Price Index will be released at 11 GMT. Australia's Producer Price Index at 0:30 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 5 GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 18 GMT. The UK's CFTC NC net positions at 20:30 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 20:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.